How to increase your limit on the FNB app. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to increase your limit on the FNB app. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. So from this FNB support guide, we can easily see the ways to change or increase our limits on the FNB app. So first of all, you have to navigate to the account page and then you have to, at the end of the account row, you will see a more option. You simply need to click here and then you have to select the account settings and select your daily online banking limits. After that, you can easily adjust your transfer limits, payments limits, or pay and clear now limits as needed. So here are the full information given here. You can go one by one and easily change or increase your limit on the FNB app. So that is it. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.